Hey everyone, I'm Kribakaran and welcome to the Python Basic series on spell syntax. Don't worry if you are new to coding. We will start from the scratch and make learning Python super fun and simple. Our goal is to make programming feel easy and exciting right from the beginning. So without any delay, we will just get into this video. Let's start with a simple question. Why Python? Python is often called beginner's best friend, and here is why. It is readable like English. Python uses clean and simple words, making it easier to understand even if you are just starting. And it is easy to write. There is no curly braces, no semicolons, and no unnecessary code. You can focus on only logic instead of memorizing weird rules. And it is beginner friendly syntax. Python is designed to minimize confusion. You can write meaningful programs with fewer lines of code. Let's take an example. Let's compare how to display Hello World on the screen in different programming languages. First, we'll discuss about C++. Here, you need to include a header file and you have to define a main function and you have to use semicolons and all. The second one is Java. You must define a class. You have to create a main method with a specific signature. Whereas in Python, it is as simple as it is. Just print Hello World. There is no boilerplate code, no semicolons, and no classes. Just one line of clean and readable code. Python stands out because of few powerful reasons. The first one, beginner friendly syntax. The code is clean and easy to understand, even if you are completely new. The second one is fast to write and easy to debug. You spend less time fixing issues and more time building the real things. The third one, huge support for libraries and frameworks. Whether it is web development, data science or automation, Python has tools ready to go. Next, runs everywhere. Your laptop, servers or even cloud platforms like AWS and Google Cloud. And the last one, used in many fields like data science, artificial intelligence, web development, automation, game development and many more. Python is not just popular among beginners and students. It is trusted by some of the biggest tech giants and organizations in the world. Why? Because it's reliable, flexible and scales really well, whether you are building a small script or a massive application. Here are just a few big names that use Python every single day. Google, Instagram, Netflix, Spotify and many more. And this is our agenda. So from the next video, we will install Python and write our very first program together. Let's learn Python one spell at a time. See you in the next one.